Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into the world of Electrolux ovens and tackling error code F08, a common issue that pops up in 2025 models. This error typically signals a problem with the oven's temperature sensor, which can cause your oven to malfunction or not heat properly. Don't panic. With a few easy steps, you might just fix it yourself and save on repair costs. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your oven from the power source before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical shocks or accidents. Got that? Great, let's jump in. Step 1. Perform a simple reset. Unplug the oven for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can clear temporary glitches and might resolve the error right away. If the F08 code persists, move to Step 2. Inspect the temperature sensor. Located inside the oven, usually at the back. Carefully check for any visible damage, like frayed wires or buildup of grime. Use a soft cloth to clean it gently. Sometimes, dirt is the culprit. Next, if cleaning doesn't help, you'll need to test the sensor. Grab a multimeter if you have one. Set it to measure resistance and touch the sensor's probes. A reading between 1000 and 1100 ohms at room temperature is normal. If it's way off, the sensor is likely faulty and needs replacement. Head to your local appliance store or online for an Electrolux-compatible part. It's usually a quick swap. While you're at it, double-check the wiring connections to ensure everything is secure. Once replaced, plug in the oven and test it by running a short bake cycle. If the error vanishes, you're all set. But remember, if you're uncomfortable with any of these steps or the problem continues, it's best to call a professional technician to avoid further damage. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. See you next time.